Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error with this device cannot start code 10 in Windows. So for fixing it, you just need to go to your search tab and just write in search tab device. Here you can see device manager. So here you need to choose a device driver. You also have problems, so you have errors with some device. For example, if it's a disk drive, so just or for example display adapter, so you choose the device, you also have problem, and you choose here uninstall device. So you uninstall this device, and after you do it, you just need to go to actions and choose here scan for hardware changes. And after you choose it, after you uninstall your driver, it will automatically download the latest version to your driver and install it to your computer. So also you can try to update your USB drivers, and if it doesn't help you, you can also try so another thing you can do is unplug your device, you also have problems, and just restart your computer. So I hope that this way will help you to fix your error. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.